Good day mga katart! So, another driving video that we have for today, and right now we're here in Manila. This is the back of Manila Hotel. So this is the pier side, back side of Manila Hotel. How I know, I used to work at the Manila Hotel back then. So, dyan ang employees entrance sila. And straight ahead, we will be approaching the famous Luneta Park. And on the left side, you will see the Philippine flag. And sa flagpole na yan ang kilometer 0. Ang point of reference of measurement for any distance right here in the Philippines. So, yan yung marker na 0 kilometer. And then, makikita natin dyan sa left side din is ang famous Rizal Monument, which is being guarded by our honor guards, rain or shine, 24/7. And on the right side, also kanina makita nyo yung Tamarao, Philippine national animal. And straight ahead, and we're approaching Calao Street, intersection between Ross Boulevard. And across on the right side, you will see the Museo ng Pambata, and or the Kids Museum right here in Luneta Park, and right beside it would be the US Embassy in Manila. Okay. Now, by the way, Ross Boulevard is formerly known as Dewey Boulevard. Way back then it was changed to Ross Boulevard, and right after the US Embassy area, meron tayong bagong sikat na artificial beach na ginawa ng previous administration, President Rodrigo Roa Duterte, the famous Dolomite Beach, or controversial nga dahil sa pagkagawa nito, and maraming nag-oppose, but eventually medyo maganda naman siya, and maraming benefits din na in the near future siguro mapapakinabangan din natin in this area. Okay, so this is the CCP complex. Hindi nyo na po na-include sa video, hindi na nakita yung CCP sa harapan, but this is the road going to exactly in front of the Aliw Theater. And itong CCP complex before, dito sa right side, meron siyang corregidor tours right then, which is I think transferred na sa Mall of Asia, dahil ngayon yung nasa gilid na yan is the Yacht Club, Manila Yacht Club, and then also the office of the Navy. Dyan din sila. Ito na nga po yung Aliw Theater. Then we're going left side, going straight ahead, right next to the Philippine International Convention Center, or what called the PICC. Napakaganda. So, developed by the former President Ferdinand Marcos with the First Lady Imelda. They developed this CCP complex to boost and promote the Philippine culture. So straight ahead, you'll see at the right side the Philippine Coconut Palace, and yan, medyo naalagaan at napaganda palalo nung ginawang opisina ng ating former Vice President Jojo Marbinay. Yan sila nag-office. And then right next to the Coconut Palace, we have the famous Sofitel Philippines, formerly known as the Western Philippine Plaza, and one of the 5-star hotels na nandito sa may CCP complex. Also famous for their marami na nag-vlog regarding sa kanilang buffet, which is the Spiral Buffet. Hopefully one day we could visit and show you also the inspirable. And next is we have the seascape. I'll put on the link on the video regarding dun sa nagawa kong content regarding dun sa place. Napakaganda. Very nice to visit, especially during sunset, so that you could experience the famous Manila Bay sunset. Okay, best experience right here in Seascape, Philippines, and maraming food establishment. And right next, ito nga po pala yung Manila Film Center of the Philippines. There we go. And medyo hindi na siya nagagamit na museum. Hopefully, ma-revive siya. Since na medyo na-develop na yung area, may marami ng establishments. So, straight ahead, at the left side, you come across the GSIS complex, which has the Senate of the Philippines for now. And I think they're going to transfer to Bonifacio Global City. Malapit na matapos yung newly installed na Senate of the Philippines building right there. But as of the meantime, dito pa rin nag-office ang ating mga senators here in Pasay. So, straight ahead, the Jokno Drive, we're driving straight ahead going to the SMOA complex. As you could see, those buildings right there. And today's a Sunday, pero medyo maaga pa, but traffic will build up. So what I advise is you can schedule your visit every weekdays, or if you plan it to do on weekends, try to do it early. There are so many places that you could visit the MOA complex. Number one is the SMOA Seaside. Marami tayong mga food establishment dyan. Even the world-renowned Mall of Asia, one of the biggest malls, foreigners and even international visitors give high regards na, or sometimes nasya-shock sila na ganong kalaki ang ating malls dito sa Philippines. Also, we have MOA Arena and the newly opened IKEA. I'll just also put on the link right here regarding sa visit natin sa IKEA Philippines. So what to expect sa next video? Later on, I'll show you the food court. So meron tayo onting Foodventure, as you know, another Foodventures by Daddy Thart and my only Thart right here. Together with my nephews and my sisters. So, ganda yung kanilang food court. They showcase international cuisines at a much more affordable rate. Maganda rin yung kanilang food court, which is also right across the MOA ice skating rink. So, you could also check this one out. And ito na nga po, we're just going to proceed to the SMO parking area, which para unti na ilalakarin natin going to the SMO food court. So enjoy the video, guys, and thank you for visiting my channel. Okay, here we go.
Nice. How about the dub? How do you dub? Damn. Video. Ay. Yeah, the picture. Picture tayo. Tutunog naman yan, di ba? Upo muna tayo. Tayo sa... Ano yan?
Open fire.
Ano pang gusto mo?
Ikaw. Wow!
Ewan ko na lang kung di ka pa matuwa tayo.
Hi guys, so as I mentioned, this is a Thai food, Pad Krapao, one of the stores or restaurants that you can see right here in the SMO food court. And as I mentioned, international cuisines nga ang order nila. Then I ordered the Tom Yum seafood soup. So may creaminess and tanginess na asim ng soup ng Tom Yum. And then we also savored the fresh lumpia that we bought from Binondo when we visited the Chinatown. So many choices right here on their food court. There they ordered Malaysian food, the nasi lemak that they choose earlier. Then for dessert, we bought some cheesecakes, also available in the vicinity. So there we go. So hope that you enjoyed me and my tarts Foodventure, and also how we toured you from Rojas Boulevard going right here in SMO. So God bless, and you do take care. Thanks.